If you are planning to do Instagram affiliate marketing, then you may be thinking, what product should I promote? What content should I post? How do I get my links? And most importantly, how I will get sales without any followers. Because when many people starts, they don't have any built-in followers like other influencers have. So it get hard for them to collect those initial audience. And I know on the internet, everyone keeps saying, just make bunch of reels, throw link in your bio, keep uploading, and eventually you will get some sales. But if you don't take action in a strategic way, all of your hard work can get wasted. So to get results in less time, you need to focus on these points. First of all, define your niche. I know you have already heard it hundreds of times, but believe me, this is very important for your account growth. Pick whatever you like, but make sure the market has actual demand for it. It could be health, fitness, entertainment, beauty, tech, software, home decor, anything. Just pick one area where you can consistently make real. Once you pick your particular niche, the process of finding product become much easier. And don't overcomplicate it. If you are confused, start with anything. Pick a product, start making real, see how other people are doing it, do whatever you want, but start taking action. That's how you will get clarity on how things actually work. Then you can make better decisions for yourself. And after doing it, your next work is to find products. You can join any affiliate program. For general physical product, you can start with Amazon affiliate program. Also, Meta has integrated an affiliate partnership feature directly inside the Instagram app. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you can start promoting product and directly tag them into your reel to earn commission. For beauty and skincare, majority of the time, if you are in this niche, brand will approach you directly. But to start earning in the early phase, you can join affiliate programs like Nykaa and others. For tech and software, if you are in tech niche and you like to review AI tools and softwares, you don't even need a big network. Most software companies manage their own affiliate program directly on their website. Just scroll the website to its footer and you will find its affiliate program down there. That's how you can find products to promote. And if you are still confused or you cannot find products, you can see what other affiliates are promoting in your niche. Then you can also start promoting that product. Easy. After doing this thing, now you must have a system to post content. After selecting your niche and product, set up a brand new professional Instagram account. Don't start with your personal one. Set up your profile and start making reels. And to give you content strategy, there are two types of content. The first one is educational and the second one is transactional. Create educational content that offer real value, like tips on skill development, personal growth, and avoid being too salesy. If you're making 3 reels, 2 reels should be information and 1 reel should be promotional. You have to make a balance. That's how you will build trust and authority with your viewers. And if you just keep promoting products, your viewers will think this person is just a salesperson and don't have any real value. So avoid this. Now, after doing everything, how the viewers will get the link. Now you need to set up the auto DM system. There are a few methods to place your link. You can place link in bio. You can add link into your story. But the most famous system is auto DM system. If you post a reel and say comment this specific word for the link, then if the viewer like that reel and want that product, they will comment. And after they comment on your reel, with the help of your auto DM system, the link will directly send to their DMs. And you can set up this process using apps like Super Profile. And that's how the setup of affiliate marketing is completed. Now here is the main part, which will define your success. Many people just quit after making 30 reels when they don't see any results. Because these fake influencers and YouTubers have sold them a lie, which is they could start earning instantly. Post 3 to 4 reel and you will start earning overnight without doing any hard work. These all are lie. They say these things to get views and engagement. But what you have to do, you have to keep making content even if you see no result. Views are going to be low when you're just starting out. That's how algorithm works. You have to face this low views first. But if you stay consistent, you will start getting some results. And a tip from me is that don't expect sales when you're just starting out. Your first goal should not be to get sales, but to get some views. Because if you don't have any viewers on your content, who will buy your product? So keep your focus on making useful content and you will see some result. And if you ask an average time, like when these things will work out for me, so if you stayed consistent, you may see some result in 5 to 6 months. Don't expect any result in 1 to 2 months. You are building a real system and it will take some time. Because in 1 to 2 months, you will learn how things work. Then from 3 to 4 months, you will start getting some views. And from 5 to 6 months, you will start getting some sales. So be patient in this process. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel if you want more honest breakdown on side hustles. And if you want more clarity on this topic, you can check out these videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.